Welcome to Exercise 1 of the iMachining Professor Jumpstart series, iMachining Walkthrough. This example is a step-by-step guide on the definition process of InventorCAM's iMachining technology to machine the part shown here. In this video, we will define the CAMPart as well as the machine and work material parameters. We will then perform the rough and finish machining of the outside contour, center pocket, and pocket ledge. As we continue through our video, I will explain the geometry definition process in iMachining, as well as some important points to keep in mind while using the technology wizard. First, we'll need to open our example InventorPart. Please note that the example file called iMachining Walkthrough iv.ipt will be included with this interactive Jumpstart PDF and can be opened by simply clicking on the part name inside the PDF. Inventor will automatically open with the part ready to go into InventorCAM for programming. First, let's create our CAMPart using the InventorCAM operation ribbon. Click on the new icon and select Milling. When the new Milling Part dialog opens, we will use the default settings and save our CAMPart in the model file directory by clicking OK. Next, let's select our CNC controller when the Milling Part data dialog box appears on the screen. Since the machining of this part will be performed on a 3-axis machine, we will choose the Haas SS 3XG milling post as our CNC controller for this example. Next, we will define our coordinate system. Let's choose the Select Face option and we'll place Coord Sys Origin to corner of model box and click Finish to accept the selection. Now we click OK to accept the default Z levels. Next, we will define the stock material for this job. Since there is already a solid body created representing the stock material, we will define this stock by a 3D model. Similarly, let's define our target and click OK to accept the selection. Now we click Save and Exit to complete the CAMPart definition.